Dear students, in this video we are going to continue our topic story writing. Here the outline is given. Once upon a time, boy lived with his mother. Boy hated mother, had only one eye. Always embarrassed, wish mother would disappear. Few years later, boy left his mother, came to the city and got settled. Forgot his one-eye mother, received a letter, school alumni reunion. After reunion, visited his old house, saw his mother on cold ground with a letter. Boy during childhood met with an accident, lost his eye. Mother donated her eye and boy cried. So in this box, this is the outline which is given for the story making. And you have to provide a suitable title for the story. Here the title is also given there, Mother, right? And on the basis of this outline, here the story is framed, right? So I'm going to read for you people. Once upon a time, boy lived with his mother in a small town. The boy hated his mother because she had only one eye. The boy was always embarrassed because of his mother. He did not want her to come to school or any other place where she could be seen with him. He always wished that his mother would just disappear from this world. One day, he finally asked his mother, Mom, why don't you have the other eye? You have only made me a laughing stock all around. But the mother did not say anything. He started A few years later, the boy left his mother and came to the city to become a successful man. He started working, got married, and had kids. He got busy and completely forgot about his one eyed mother. One day, he received a letter regarding the school alumni reunion in the town. After attending the reunion, he went to visit his old house. There, he saw his mother on the cold ground with a letter addressed to the boy. In the letter, she described how the boy during childhood had met with an accident and lost his eye, and it was she who donated her eye to the boy. Then all he could do was to cry in repentance for the person who loved him very much. So, dear student, this is a story which is based on the given outline. In the same manner, you will get the outline for writing the story. Now I am coming to my next story. See, again the outline is given. A stormy night, traveler reaches a dhamshala, door locked, knocks, keeper says he has no key, asks if traveler has a silver key. Traveler pushes a rupee under the door, admitted, asks keeper to bring his box. Traveler shut the door, keeps knock. Traveler asks for the silver key. His rupee returned and the door opened. So this is the outline. Again, you have the title for the story, that is Silver Key. You now I'm going to read this. Once a stormy night, a traveler went to a dharmshala to seek shelter. He was highly disappointed to find the door locked. When he knocked at the door, the keeper of the dharmshala called out from inside, "I am sorry, I cannot open the door for I have lost the key. However, the door can be unlocked with a silver key. Do you have one?" The traveler, who was quite intelligent, got the hint and pushed a rupee coin under the door. The keeper opened the door and let him in. As soon as the traveler got inside, he thanked the keeper and requested him to bring in his bag. The moment the keeper stepped outside, the traveler shut the door and locked it. "What is the joke? Please open the door immediately," shouted the keeper from outside. "It is no joke," answered the traveler. "I'm sorry, I have lost the key. The door can be opened only with a silver key." The keeper had to push the silver coin under the door, and the traveler got his rupee back before he let the dishonest man in. So, dear students, this is about your story writing. So, dear students, you are given the outlines of a plot and you are required to build up the story. And the story should be easy and interesting. Your plot should be good. You can use your imagination to develop the plot with interesting details. You can create suspense so that the reader is motivated to read on, and your expression should be good. So, thank you, students.